Oh, no. Oh, hello.
Outside. Get the leaves out of the pool.
Okay. There we are. Shouldn't take long. Okay. There it is. Right. There we go.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Jamie Studs. Yes.
What are you doing?
Sorry, yes, I was just cleaning the window.
Oh, that window's really clean.
Oh, yes. Oh. Is this your ball?
Help!
He can't swim.
What? Oh, no. Oh, what? Oh, there's an idea. Hang on to these. Okay, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Here, grab that. Oh, very good. Yes.
You saved my life. Who are you?
Bean. Mr. Bean. Your cleaner.
A reward. Take anything you like.
Oh, well. Hello, guys. Look, the golden shiny.
Stickers.
This is the new thing. Wrestling figures.
Hey? Well, I've got to get some of those. All right.
Bean? Bean, come back with my stuff.
Pretty comfy. Plenty of food. Oh, that's not very good. Oh, just the thing. Yeah. And of course, the shower. There we go. Off we go. Huh? Oh, lovely. What the? Maybe not. Very good. Oh, could you move out of the way, please? Oh,
Excuse me.
sorry.
I'd like you to move out of the way, please.
Oh.
Turn it up. I can't hear it. A cup of tea would be nice. Coming up. There you go. Thanks.
Hey?
Oh, wrestling. Oh, lovely.
Let's get to it. Okay. Hooray. Oh. Goodness. There we go. Right, let's get you in here. Oh, God. Oh, oh, that's a shame. That was quite catchy, actually. Oh, I think I'll leave this till tomorrow.
Excuse me, madam. Thinking of selling your house?
No.
Just a moment. Are you sure?
That much?
Absolutely.
You're on.
What?
Just sign the agreement here. See you tomorrow. There.
Oh, no. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay.
Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to book an appointment, please. 12 Arbor Road.
Shall we say tomorrow at 11?
Okay. Thank you. Right, we haven't got long. Off we go. Now, just only that. Here we go.
One last outing?
Oh, go on then.
Oh, see you later, ladies.
Morning.
Bye.
Time for a bath, Scrapper. I think I need protection. There we go. Come back here. I'll be needing those. Scrapper. Ow. Come on down. Come on. Oh, there must be something. Aha. Oh, sardines. Come on, kitty. Lovely sardines. Come on. Oh. Oh. There we go. Right. Oh. Right. Teeth time. Okay. Now, let me see. There we go. What a picture. Oh, but look, it'll have to do. Okay, Scupper. Come on, in you go. There we go. Right.
Hello. This way, please.
There we go. Right. Oh! No photographs, please.
Lovely.
Honestly.
Hello.
Ah, yes. Good afternoon. How are you?
The entrance fee?
What? Okay. Oh, all right.
Thank you. Over there.
Oh. Oh, he's a little excited.
And next we have...
Fluffball the third.
Let's see how long his tail is.
Oh, come on.
Smile.
Oi!
Okay. Every time you win an event, you get a point. The player with the most points wins this trophy. Oh.
That trophy is mine.
No, it's mine.
It's mine.
Mine.
Bit of competition. Like it. Let's get started. This way. Okay. First to the top wins.
Understood?
Ready? Go. Come on.
I'm giving up. I think I need some gloves. I'll throw the rope up and you can tie them on. Ready? Just set the whole bag down.
Okay, coming down.
There we are.
Winner.
Yes.
Excellent.
Thank you. So, what's this?
Build a raft. First one to the other side wins. You can use these materials.
Ah.
Go!
Aha. Hello.
Here.
So, what happens next?
First to the bottom wins. See you down there.
Oh, well, I hope you do better this time.
Right.
Right.
Ready, steady.
Right. Get to know the lie of the land. Oh, excellent. Goodness.
Hey! Hey!
Here we are.
Yeah!
Oh, what kept you?
Another victory.
Oh, thank you very much.
Ah!
Hello. Won't be long. There we are. Okay. There. Ha-ha! Yes! Anything you can do? Oh, very good. I'll have that. Next up. Here we go. Scary. Oh, look out.
Whoa.
Hello there. Yes, things looking pretty good here, actually. Yes, very good. You're very rude. Oh, hello, Eva. Would you like to join me in this very smart car? Oh, Eva. For Lottie.
Right.
Okay, well, let's go. You okay? Right. Hang on.
Oh, very careless. Someone should pick that up.
Yes. Hang on. Oh, no. What? No, Carol.
Oh, need a lift?
Bye!
Yes. Excellent. What is going on? Oh! Ow! Yes! Right. Gotcha! I told you, pal. Oh no, no, it's my letter. It's. Ow! Oh, of course. It'll be delivered to Irma's tomorrow. And I'll be there. What? Yes. Gotcha! Oh, you! Hey! Oh!
Beanie? Oh, is that for me?
Yes, it's this one.
Oh, daffodils, my favourite. Thank you. Is that supposed to be me?
No, that's the wrong one.
Right.
No, that's wrong. Look, it's this one, it's this one. Oh, no, disaster. No. Oh, no. Scrapper! There you are. Here, boy. Right. There we go. Now, here's an idea. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jump. Jump to me. Ow. Oh, I give up. I give up. All right, just hang on, just hang on. Oh, now. Come on, Scupper. Come to me. Uh-oh. No. Well done, Scrapper. Come on, let's get out of here. Whew, there we go. Right, let's get you home. Right.
Scrapper!
Here we are.
Scrapper! Oh, Bean, thank you.
Oh, it was nothing. Oh, and of course. Oh. There's a goodbye. Well, good night then. Charming. Oh, dear. Oh. Ah, very good. What the?